Hi everyone, welcome to ViWizard's YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to download tracks and playlists from SoundCloud using some browser extensions. On Chrome, I recommend using a downloader with CRX emulator from Adencrop. After you install it, go to SoundCloud, find the music you want, and you'll see a little download arrow at the bottom right. Click it, then click download all tracks and it will start downloading. You can pause, resume, or cancel anytime. Everything gets saved as MP3 in your browser's default folder. On Firefox, there are two good SoundCloud downloader add-ons. You can find them in the Firefox add-on store by searching SoundCloud Downloader. They add a download button for each track or the whole playlist. Install them, go to SoundCloud. And click the button to download. The tracks are saved as MP3 in your default folder. Click the download icon on the top right to check progress and results. But these extensions can get disabled sometimes and you can't change the format or quality. That's why I recommend ViWizard SoundCloud Music Downloader. It gives you more formats, higher quality, faster speed, and it's more reliable. Here's how it works. Open ViWizard and go to Preferences. Pick MP3 as your output. Choose bitrate, output folder, and how you want the files named. Then click OK. Next, click the SoundCloud logo inside the program to open the web player. Find your playlist or songs. Click the plus button. Add to list, then convert to start downloading. After it's done, go to the converted list. Play a track to check it, and click the folder icon to see your files. If you want more SoundCloud downloader extensions for other browsers, check out the blog linked in the description. That's it for today, thanks for watching.